Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the alphabet words. Let us get started. A for axe. Axe. B for bat. Bat. C for can. Can. D for drum. Drum. E for ear. Ear. F for fan. Fan. G for goat. Goat. H for hat. Hat. I for ink. Ink. J for jug. Jug. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for mug. Mug. N for nest. Nest. O for orange. Orange. P for pizza. Pizza. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. Rose. S for saw. Saw. T for tree. Tree. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for wet. Wet. W for watch. Watch. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you kids for watching this with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.